think many foreigners buy this one in Korea.
So you brought that.
Yeah, I brought that. This flavor is lemon.
Okay.
So you can just one stick
A day.
for 1 day.
Okay. Alright.
And next, is it good expression with good speaking?
You're fantastic. Let's please. I mean, even the fact that you're taking the time to explain every single item, we appreciate you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
And next one is, this is my these days, I had a lot of things, these noodles.
Noodles!
This is jajang noodles from
I
Korea.
love jajangmyeon. Yes!
So I hope you guys like it. You can have dinner with your at your home.
I don't know, we like anything naman from you.
Yeah, this noodle. And next one is,
What's that?
this is really good for health. Ginseng.
Oh, it's a ginseng
Yeah.
supplement?
Yeah. Just that's mango flavor.
Oh, ginseng naman.
So I like it. I'm how can I say?
You're an endorser. Are you the model
Yes,
for
right.
this product?
I just love that.
Oh.
And next one is truly salad. Kale oil.
Oh, okay. Is this something you like?
I just brought them.
As a gift. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. The next one is, this is one thing. It's his own hat.
It's your personal item.
Remember Photoshop? 6 years ago, I came to here Philippines.
Yes.
I
You wore this?
wore this. Yes.
Oh, wow.
That is.
That's it. It's the same one. Oh my goodness. You kept it all these years and now we get to keep it.
Today is exact.
Today is a good day indeed.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Can we please give it up for Kakobong, everyone? This is